1, 2, 1, 2. Around for hours, 2 10-pence pieces in my hand. I was alone and freezing, still trying hard to understand you. The others knowing I had to work this by myself. But now the feeling's growing, I would be better off with her help. So baby, what we've got has lately not been enough, not been enough. Your scarf still, that once embraced and kept me warm. I wish you could be with me in these last days when I am still hopelessly poor. Stay out of trouble, stay in touch. Try not to think about me too much. Stay out of trouble, stay in touch. Try not to think about me